There's a song that's, I think, the second to the last song on the album. And on that song, you talk about watching a child grow or never wanting to let them go, I think it is like that. What's the name of that song?
It's called Kealoha's song. Kealoha is my youngest boy. He's 5 now. And it's funny because I had written songs for my other 2 children, like right after I'd had them. And we recorded those with Naleo, one for Malia and then one for my other son, Kalamaku, called In Your Smile. And so after I had Kealoha, it took me a while to come up with a song. And I couldn't figure out why. And I tried. And I finally realized, I think it was because I knew he was my last one, and I think I just didn't want to. It's like once I wrote the song, then it would be sort of like letting it go, and knowing that would be the last one.
Every time I start thinking ahead, my heart sort of skips a beat. And I know someday you'll be all grown up and standing on your own 2 feet. But for now you are mine, in my arms by my side. Hold my hand, we'll take it slow. All too soon the day will come when you will go.
But finally I buckled down and I said, no, you have to be even. You have to have one per child, otherwise he's going to grow up feeling, I don't know, cheated or something. And so I wrote this song for him. And it's funny how we got it on the album is I was actually driving in my car and I heard the other song I'd written for my other son on the radio. And we were looking for one more song to put on this album, and as I'm driving, I heard the other song for my son, and I'm singing along, and then I thought, hey, what did I do with that song I wrote for Kealoha? And I was like, maybe we could do that one. So I went home, and I'm like searching through all my papers, and I found it was like all crumpled up on a piece of paper. I pulled it out, I'm like, yeah, all right. So I played it for Sean and Mike, and they like, oh. And Sean had just taken his son off to college to the mainland, and he's like, oh, you're gonna do that to me for? So yeah, it's a song about knowing that your child is gonna, one day grow up and grow away from you and go on their own. And so it's just about wanting to hold on for as long as you can.